We have two photographs here. They date to the later 19th century, so the 1880s. They're views made in China, so kind of views of landscapes, cityscapes, and infrastructure. Many American museums, when you look at their photography collections, those collections prioritize photography made in the United States and Europe. So this really contributes to our understanding of the history of photography. The rest of the works here are all by an artist named Seong Moy, and they were a gift of the artist and his family. To make a woodcut, you are actually starting with a piece of wood, like a block of wood, and having to carve away all the pieces of that wood that you don't want to print. And what is sticking up is what gets inked up. Put a piece of paper against it, run it through a press, and that press, the pressure transfers the ink from the block onto the piece of paper.
So the title of this very, I'll say tiny print is called P-pop Player, and it was produced around the year 1954. So it is a Chinese musical instrument. So this is like a pear-shaped, stringed musical instrument that was originally from the Central Asia, but it later became a really important Chinese instrument. Let's see how it sounds like.